Hey guys, let's eat. Okay guys, I'm back with another booming banging mukbang guys. Today is a beautiful Sunday. The rain just fall, the sun come out. Oh guys, sorry about that. There the camera just shake. Alright. Guys, so what we having today? We having stewed chicken neck, guys. I don't know when last all I had chicken neck or if all I ever had chicken neck, but we have stewed chicken neck. We have a lovely tasting callaloo here, guys. Then we have a salad which contains tomato, onion, and lettuce. Is lettuce? Cabbage? Some one of them, guys. Lettuce. Guys, and you see this little fella here? He is super hot. So let's get into a prayer and get down in it, guys. Lord, thank you for this meal. Thank you for providing us with this meal, Lord. Thank you for everything that you have done and still doing for us, dear Lord. In your name. Okay, guys. I'm kind of hungry, so guys, I'll put my juice on this side. Guys, I'm having Coca-Cola today. Alright, so alright. Not bad. Guys, not bad at all. Guys, I remember like onions. I don't know. But I love it now. Guys, you have to try this with the tamarind sauce. Whoa. Okay guys, sorry about the ringing in the video. And these animals are here barking, guys. Forget them. Forget them. Because right now, all good. Guys, now they're not too far away from me. That pepper, he respect nobody. Mm. 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 Ah, guys. Mm. Ah. Mm. Ah. Mm. Woo, woo, woo. Ah. 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 Guys, that was a bad idea. I swear. Hmm. Ah. Ah. Oh. Hmm. Ah. Mm. 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 Ah. Guys, when I buy that pepper, right? I ask for the hottest pepper, right? The lady in the grocery watch my face and tell me, guys, hear what she tell me. She said this pepper nice and tasty. And it's hot. I like it, it's hot. Let's see if you want it hot, you will get it hot here. But nice. Guys, that pepper, I don't know what to do. That pepper is more than hot, guys. Mm-mm. I'm vampire with that pepper again. As that pepper make my temple hurt, man. I don't know how. My ear bell ring. My tongue, my lip. It's on fire, guys. That's anything for you. Ah, boy. Yay. Guys, I'm hungry. You need drinking on that, sir? Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Drinking along. Wow, wow, wow. Mm-mm. Mm. Ah. 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 Okay, some God. Oh good. No, 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 no. What did you call that? Guys, whoa, 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 nah. Guys, right now my belly tingling. It jumping all over. Guys, like the pepper swell up my eye already. Guys, I have to take a little 2 seconds, eh? My tongue. I have to call the fire truck. And my mouth and flames. Guys, that pepper? Nah. You see people who like pepper? Thanks. You see people who like pepper like Hungry Chini and the kids and them? Guys, this is for them. Right? Because I don't know if doctor recommend them to eat all that pepper. Guys, that pepper a lot. And them eating down that pepper. I can't do that. I'm feeling my chest, my belly. I don't know why. Should I never do that? And so I just eat the pepper in the so I just eat the pepper in the callaloo, guys, and take that burning because that hot and Guys, today's a nice day. Nice, beautiful Sunday. Guys, it's not every Sunday, yo. We go eat pie and lasagna and all them things. I'm not that kind of person. If I feel to eat macaroni and corned beef on a Sunday, I eat in it. If I feel fit, I buying it and eating it, making it. Yeah, but you know hungry chilling, you know sit down. You know she play that shit like that. But this is the kind of food I like. Some people just call it poor food. Some people just call it it's really the quickest dish to make. And this here, the quickest dish to make. Put in the comments and tell me what is the quickest dish to make. I'll tell you if it's true or false. Guys, any dish hungry chini prepare to cook, to me, I don't know. If I stand up in a kitchen with somebody else and help them, I'm going to take about 2 hours or more to cook. I just see hungry chini doing like 3-4 different dishes in the kitchen by herself. She might give me a little help, but everything, guys, in that space of time, everything does taste like. And then too, she could do everything. She could touch. You know, she could cook a good food, make a good pilau. So guys, all you need to like, share and subscribe. And pass it on. Alright? All you need to pass it on. For those who will see the video. Alright? So, guys, this before I go, guys, I want to thank you for everything and everybody who supporting us, guys. Thank you for the love. Don't just show me the love, but show everybody around the world, guys, and you will see me back with another booming banging mukbang, guys. Love you.